Welcome! If you want to check real battery capacity in your Nokia G10, at the first you have to go for the settings, for the Play Store, where we can get the application Ampere. Here we have it, so we can download that application. It's from the Brain Trap, as you can see. Right now, just be patient and wait a little bit. Right now we can open that application, click yes, I agree, tap close, and click OK. Right now when you swipe on the right, we can find the same data, but in the other theme, and the maximum and the real capacity of the battery in the smartphone you can find in this place. So basically that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.